Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. This is Shilpa Patil. Today we are going to start our Social Studies second chapter, Festivals. From this chapter you will learn about national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals. Let us begin the chapter, students. After Onam holidays, Anup went back to Dubai. On the first day of school, he told about his experience to his friends. हम भी जब दिवाली के हॉलीडेज़ ख़त्म हो जाते हैं तो हम हमारे फ्रेंड्स को सारी चीज़ें बताते हैं। उसी तरह से अनूप ने भी उसने क्या क्या फ़न किया वो सब उसके फ्रेंड्स को बता रहा है। He told about his relatives, the new dresses and the goodies that he got for Onam. We are also getting gifts on special festivals like Diwali, Holi, Dashehra. This way Anup also got the gifts from his parents, new dresses also, and he was telling about it to his friends. Festivals bring happiness and joy to people. We meet and greet our relatives and friends during festivals. Our festivals are colorful and fun-filled. We celebrate different festivals throughout the year. Festivals जो होते हैं that brings happiness and joy to people. बहुत खुशी देते हैं हमें और हमें बहुत खुशी होती है इन सारे फेस्टिवल्स को सेलिब्रेट करने में. We meet and greet together to our relatives also, to our friends also, and these types of festivals are colorful and fun-filled. कलरफुल होते हैं, हमें न्यू ड्रेसेस मिलते हैं, गिफ्ट्स मिलते हैं, मीठा खाना खाने मिलता है. इस तरह से हम इस फेस्टिवल को सारे फेस्टिवल्स को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स एंड इन इंडिया festivals are of three types. There are three types of festivals we are celebrating, and those are national festivals of India, religious festivals of India, and harvest festivals of India. These are the three types of festivals. Three types के festivals होते हैं: national festivals, religious festival, and harvest festivals. First of all, we are going to learn about national festivals of India. In India, there are three major national festivals. These festivals are celebrated throughout the country, and they are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These are the national festivals of India. First of all, we are going to learn about Independence Day. Yes, children, on 15th August 1947, India became free from the British rule. We celebrate this day as our Independence Day every year. Flag hoisting and cultural programs are held all over the country. Flag hoisting होता है और कल्चरल प्रोग्राम्स भी होते हैं. सारे देश में ये फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है इस तरह से. The main celebrations are held at Red Fort in Delhi, where the Prime Minister unfurls our national flag. मेन जो फेस्टिवल होता है, सेलिब्रेशन होता है, वो रेड फोर्ट पे होता है जो कि दिल्ली में है, दिल्ली में है. Here you can see that the Prime Minister is hoisting the flag and people sing national anthem and salute the flag. We are also celebrating every year 15th August as Independence Day every year. The second one is Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26th January. India became a republic on 26th January 1950. This day is celebrated as the Republic Day every year. The celebrations include a parade by armed forces This is the parade with armed force, school children and folk dancers from different parts of the country are also participating in this parade. You can see here, this is the photograph of parade. The President of India takes the salute. Cultural programs also are held there. This way we are celebrating 26th January. And the third one festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Every year we are also celebrating Gandhi Jayanti in our school. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, was born on 2nd October 1869. We celebrate his birthday every year as Gandhi Jayanti. People visit Gandhi Samadhi at Rajghat. This is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. To pay homage, people every year comes here on 2nd October and salute to the our national leader. This way, the prayers and bhajans are held all over the country. Mahatma Gandhiji's favorite bhajan, children, do you know? Vaishnava Jana to tene kahiye je. This way, we are praying and paying homage to Gandhiji. Little children also. This way we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. I hope all of you understand this video. Thank you for watching it.